Oh, don't go back any further. All right. Hold on. This is launch 2. Launch 1 was successful, but we're pretty sure we launched the rocket into orbit because it disappeared. And I don't think we had any parachute deploy.
It's gonna go all the way to Pluto.
Yeah, no kidding. All right. Ready for the countdown?
Yeah. Or a black hole, maybe.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. 1. Smarties. 1. Oh, hold on, we got a short. Hold on.
I can't
Take the key out.
I won't work.
Hold on. Don't push anything.
I won't.
I know why. They're touching each other. Okay, they're separated. All right, recount down. We'll start from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh.
It's all the way up there.
Uh-oh, that one might have went. Do you see it? Oh, shit.
It went all the way up there.
Can you see it?
No.
Oh,
I
no.
think it went that way.
It went that way.
It went that way because it went all the way up there and I think it turned and now it's in space.
Oh, I need my sunglasses on. Why didn't I bring my shades? Okay, I don't see it.